Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts and we're tuned to E flat. So just tune each string down a half step, so let's get into it. So for our intro guitar one, we're going to play 11D, 9 on the G, 10 on the B, then come back 2 frets to 9, 7 and 8, play that once, back to 7, D, G and B, back to our 9, 7 and 8, back to our 7s, then we do 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to our first chord 2 times. And we just do that 2 times there, and that's guitar 1. So for our second guitar we're playing the A chord, but we're adding the 5th fret on the B and the E. Play that once, then we just do a G chord, then we're going to D over F sharp, so 2nd fret on the E, mute the A, open D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B, back to the G, back to the D over F sharp, and then the A power chord 2 times. And we just do that twice. Now guitar 3 we're going to play 10 on the B, 12 on the E, slide up 2 frets and slide back. Then just come back to 8 on the B, 10 on the E, slide up 2 frets and come back. And do that 2 times. And that's our intro there. So for our verse guitar 1 we're playing the same chords as the intro, we're just stopping the first 2. So we still have 11, 9, 10, stop, 9, 7, 8, stop, and then do the rest the same. 7s, 9, 7, 8, 7s, 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to our 11, 9, 10 2 times. And do that twice. Guitar 2 is doing the same as the intro again, but with the stops. So the A to the G, to the D over F sharp, G, D over F sharp, back to our A 2 times. And we just do that twice. And that's our verse. So for our chorus guitar 1 and 2 are doing the same. We're going to start on 9D, 7G, 8B 2 times, palm mute the 9 on the D, and then go to 7D, 7G, 10B, 10E. Just play the 7 on the D and then play the 7D and G. So we have, and do that 2 times. Then just play the A power chord, then we're arpeggio picking 2nd fret G, 2nd fret D, go to 3rd fret on the B, 2nd fret D, 2nd fret on the G. Then we go back to the first riff again. Just stop on the 7, 7, 10, 10. Then we have this little lick, open E string, bend the 3rd fret on the E string. Then we're going to open E, bend the 3rd fret on the E string, open 3, 4, A, 3, 4, G, 2, back to the D, 4, 2, jump to the 3rd fret on the E and bend, and then E, O, 3, 4, A, 3, 4, and 2 on the G. And that's our first chorus there. From there we just go back to the verse and that stays the same. So for our next chorus, it's the same as the first chorus. We're going to leave off the lick at the end. It changes for our solo rhythm, so it stays the same. 2 times. to our A and arpeggio picking. Repeat again. And that's our second chorus, so now let's have a look at the solo rhythm and we'll do the solo at the end. For the start of the solo we play the open E, bend the 3rd fret E, back to the open E. Now this next lick we're going to play 6 times. So E, 3, 4, A, 3, 4, 2 on the G, 4 on the D, bend the 3rd fret E, and open E. And we're going to do that 6 times. 6 times, and then we just go back to the riff we did in the first chorus. The 3, 4 on the E, A, 3, 4, 2 on the G, back to the D, 4, 2, bend the 3rd fret on the E, open E, 3rd fret, 4th fret, A, 3, 4, and 2nd fret on the G. And that's our solo rhythm there, and we'll do our main solo at the end. Now for our outro, guitar 1, we're just going to play a G chord down up to a D chord and do that 2 times. Then we're coming up to an A chord here, we're just going to play it down up and we do that 5 times. Then the 6th time we just do the start again. G chord to the D and again. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So for our second guitar we wait 8 bars, then we just come in the A with the arpeggio picking. Go back to the chorus riff now. And again. To our A riff again. Do that 2 times. Then the 3rd time we do the start of the riff again, and again, finish, and then we've got this lick to finish off the song. Open, 3rd fret bend. Now this next part we just keep continuing to the end. E string, open, 3rd fret, 4th fret, A, 3, 4, 2 on the G, back to the D, 4, 2, bend the 3rd fret E, open 3, 4, 3, 4 on the A and 2. So it's just our chorus riff again, and we do that all the way through to the end. Then we have another guitar doing these solo parts. We're going to start with 7 on the G, 5 on the B and bend the 7. Then we're going to move up 12 on the G, 10 on the B, come back 2 frets and we're bending the G string, back to 9 and 7, back to 7 and 5. Then we're jumping up to 15 on the E, 18 on the B and bend the 18 4 times. And then to finish off, it's nearly faded out. On the B string we're going to play 3, 2, 1 just with pull-offs 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the main solo. So we're going to start on the 7th fret G, start with the bend up and release it, then come back up again, and we're holding for 3 bars there. Now this next part's very staccato playing. We're going to slide up to 14 on the D, G, 12 2 times, back to 14 D, we play it 1, 2, then play it again to a pull off to 12, 14 on the A, 12 on the G, back to the D, 14, 1, 2, do it again, pull off to 12, 14 on the A, back to 12 on the D 2 times, 14 on the D, play it again, pull off to 12, 14 on the A, 12 on the G, back to 14 on the D again 2 times, 14 pull off to 12, 14 A, this time go 12 on the D, 14 on the G 2 times, and do it again and pull off to 12, 14 A, 14 D, 12 on the G, then we're going to bend 15 on the B 3 times. Then we're just going to do a half bend on 14 on the B 2 times, then bend again, just play the 14, then do 2 bend and release on the 14. 12 on the B, play 14 on the G, bend, release, pull off to 12, 14 D, back to G, 14, 12, 14 D. Then we do this 12, hammer onto 14, hammer onto 15. Now we're going to play 14 on the G, 15 on the B, we're going to release it, then just play 15 on the B and do the release again on 14, 15, and we do that 4 times. So the first one, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just bend 14 on the G, jump to 14 on the D, 12, 14 on the A, and then to finish G, 12, 11, 9, 7, 6, 4, and finish on the 2 there. And they're all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Flaming Youth Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love KISS, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.